Yo, what is up you guys? So for this video, we are going back Rage Login. So sorry guys kung di ako masyadong nag-upload talaga katulad ng vlogger. Yung ibang mga Beyblader dyan na lagi nag-upload. Yan. So hindi po ganun guys. Pag-pasensya nyo na po. Yan. Lang ating Rage Longinus si MQ brand. Uy! Uy, shish! Baka may freebie, wala. Uy, shish! MQ brand. Uy! Stickers, and then destroy driver. Yes, ba't ganito yung destroy ng MQ no? So, medyo pangit. Rage Longinus, shish, man. Pero parang no-brand yung core niya para medyo pangit yung core. So let's go parts by parts. First, Longinus. Yes sir. Next is Rage. Next is 3A, pangatong attack type chassis. And then destroy. Yun lang guys. So assemble. Guys, magandang pala yung chassis niya. Sheesh, man. Pero maganda yung chassis niya. Sheesh. Test spin. Test spin. Sheesh. Kaya mo yan, Rage Longinus. Oh, nanalo pa siya. Nanalo pa. Bumalik. Oh, bumalik na naman. Makakambak niya pa kaya. Hindi na. Pero ako lang ba? Gusto papangitan talaga ako sa mukha ng MQ na Rage Longinus. This is super cool. Which better? What the heck? What? Did you see that, man? What the heck? Dang! Oh. Damn, bro. No clicks. Final battle. Let's go. Cold Valkyrie be like. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Itong bay na to, dito yung core lang niya medyo pangit, no? So abangan nyo soon, guys. May palating tayong Beyblade X. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.